This 1938 Tanner has been temporarily put on hold, but it's for a very good reason. The reason is this beautifully custom muraled mid-60s Cresta Craft. She still needs a lot of love. Full chassis cleanup to be done, cable brakes to reinstate, coupling to be checked, a rot to be cut out, new roof vent, 12-volt wiring, complete custom build on the inside. You want to see what's happening in this journey? Come follow along. What a journey it will be, but why are we going through such a big effort for something so old? Well, just look at it. This is not your average cookie cutter caravan, right? It's got your personality, your passion poured into it. So if you're towing a caravan like this down the road, people are going to say, wow, check that thing out. It's not something that you see every day. And if you're rebuilding one of these, you know it's got your blood, your sweat, and sometimes your tears that gets poured into this. The chassis is in really, really good nick for its age, but one of the things to really watch out for is the drawbar, right? This one's a C-channel, so it's nice and open. You can see right through it. It's pretty easy. But these drawbars, they rust from the inside out. Really easy to get caught out. This one, as you can see from this photo I've taken, it has still rusted from the inside out, but you can see it, so I'm going to chop that out and replace it with a fresh bit of steel. And like they say, rust never sleeps. So if there's rust in it, you've got to cut it out. You've got to get rid of it. Otherwise, it will just carry on. So do these things right. Be safe. Don't let your drawbar fall off. Treating chassis is a job that very few people would enjoy. Get it done right. Basic gear, knotted wheel for the angle grinder. These things are amazing. They last a long time. I'm onto my second chassis, and this one's still looking pretty good nick. I also have a smaller wire brush for getting into the corners. I use my battery drill for these. Rustcon, right, 2 coats of Rustcon, and then leave that overnight, let it do its thing. And then a zinc anti-corrosive primer. That coating is really, really important before you put your top coat on. It really helps protect the chassis, saves you having to do this crappy job over again. Wire wheel's great for getting rid of the rust, but not particularly good for getting rid of the paint. You want one of these suckers. Right, paint stripping discs. They rip into it, get it done, and the results are pretty good.